In patterns you may see single crochet two together. Essentially that's telling you that two single crochets are going to connect to each other at the very top. So two stitches will become one. If you ever have this, what you're going to do in the very beginning of, so say it's in the beginning of a row, you're just gonna chain up one to begin, and you are going to apply the first one and the second one to be together. So going into the first stitch, yarning over, pulling it through, and you don't finish this, and then you go into the next one, going in and pull through, and you now have 3 loops on your hook. So the one is the beginning loop and these two are the tops of the first 2 stitches, yarning over, pulling through all 3, and now 2 just became into 1. So if you just do the next 2 together just for practice, so in, pull through, and then in, pull through, so just get them both in a row, and then pull through 2. So in, pull through, in, pull through all 3, and that is your single crochet 2 together.